By the way, John, this guy's name is Kef Japlin.
Science will reveal
Like, no
the
kidding.
truth.
Oh, Phil.
Hi, guys.
Follow through. I am loving this.
What a bunch of misfits and friends we got here.
Oh god, I'm gonna feel for main tank or off tank. Ugh.
You want me to go... I can play Diva or something if you guys want.
That's fine.
Okay. I just saw Ugg support me and well, I can play other stuff too.
No, I can play support or DPS, but
Hold back left.
back left?
Yep.
For your safety, please go behind the barrier. 5, 4.
I love your name, Kef Japlin. That's
Thank you.
amazing.
Arissa, once they push in, put your shield like here, okay? Where I'm standing. Okay, back up, back up.
Diva discorded?
Shot him back.
What's the name? Monkey.
Monkey down.
Got it.
Mercy's
She's on top.
Lucio.
Lucia discorded.
So down.
There's some minus.
They res Diva. She's discorded. Get back in back. Hey, Widow.
But don't punch.
I'm out of heal juice. 1 second.
I'm healing.
Widow
I
one.
meant to throw a heal orb. Here we go. Nice.
Lucia discorded on top.
Tracer going right side. Nice. Oh, they're resing it. Heal's coming in.
Somewhere else.
Sorry, I should have popped out there probably.
Let's take.
This will restore you.
Back up. They have pulse one and
Seem in need of aid.
tank ults. Try to spread out a little bit.
I'll use trans when I get dove and I'm about to die.
That monkey might feel
If
from me
you
up here.
get stuck,
I'm gonna hide
transfer.
in.
If one of the tanks or you get stuck, transfer all the tank.
Sorry about my child. Oh, they're behind us?
Holy fuck.
What?
I got Mercy.
I'm stunned. Just get their McCree. Go.
Oh man,
How did that kill you?
We must all
I don't
know.
sacrifices in the name of science.
Yeah, we got this. I thought I was watching
What
you though.
the
You looked
fuck?
around the
I
corner.
actually know that shouldn't have killed me.
It should not have.
They went top left
Yeah.
and flanked around. That's what they did.
That's interesting.
Yeah, because there's like a door and we didn't check that.
Huh. Good to know.
For your safety, please go behind the barrier.
Very nice.
Genji discorded? Genji?
Cross.
Oh, they're getting a tick, guys.
Get a point.
They have 2 ticks. Get the Mercy. She's resing. There we go.
Diva.
Diva discord? No. Tracer half. Tracer no recall. Tracer running away.
Oh, dude,
Genji?
Genji's low.
Genji down. There we go.
My bad. Could've.
There we go. Nice job, guys.
I have ult coming up. I'm gonna try to save it for Blade, but if I get dove to her, I'm just gonna use it.
30 seconds remaining. Behind the barrier. Our enemy's
They're going right side. Upper. Winston diving backline. We need to make sure we take point. I'm down. Set. Just stay alive. Stay with your Zen. Stay with your Zen. Make sure we
Monkey
stay
low,
point
monkey
though.
Lucio on, Lucio.
There was a flaw.
Nice, nice, nice.
Monkey.
Coming in. Hopefully soon.
Genji behind you. Mercy resting.
Heals coming in.
No recall.
Get the Lucio.
Lucio.
Tracer 1. Nice, big. Get the Siva. There we go.
Beautiful.
Nice job, guys. Good hold.
Complete.
Dein Schutzengel.
Score 0-0. Switching sides.
Somebody play Rhino?
Prepare to attack.
You want me to play Anna?
Select your hero.
If you want to.
I can do that.
What did you play?
Did they change the thing about the second point already, or is that next patch?
They did change it, yeah. It's like up a little bit now from where it was.
Oh God.
Who was playing Zen last round? Because that was really nice.
I was.
Oh, okay. I liked Zen personally because the discords were huge. So
Oh, you're Lucio man? You're Lucio man? Play a lot of Lucio, right?
Lucio's also.
What? No, I used to be, but I
Okay. Because Lucio's very good with this tank combo.
I can
Yeah,
do
Lucio
whatever
would
now.
be good here.
Yeah, everybody go bottom left through the tunnels, and then push straight to point on the left again.
Be sure to stretch before engaging in rigorous physical activity.
We should probably try the going bottom left or whatever, like they said first. But we can always try that if we need to. It
That you would arm wrestle me. Nervous?
was an interesting play that they did. I've actually never seen anyone do that before.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
We'll go bottom left, you just play chill main, and then once we're in point, you can go top right for free. Because they'll be focused on us. Or you can follow too, I don't know, it's up to you.
I try to keep an eye on you with it, but
About his personal.
If they have like dive
Oh,
DPS, then you might have to come with us, but...
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attack commencing. Capture objective A.
Let's go with our Ryan.
Zen.
alright. Wanna go left side?
Left.
Go left.
I think.
Slow.
I'm gonna try to boop him out of there.
Give it.
She's back is low.
2 seconds right?
Genji low.
I need heals.
Genji very low. Genji
Here,
won.
here, here.
Yeah.
Where's Gun?
He's dead.
What's that we do?
Heals coming in.
Good half shot.
Little.
Need help.
Going back fast as I can.
Get the soldier.
I am on attack the objective. I claim this objective. Stand with me.
Good shit.
Nice job, guys. GG. Well played.
Oh, I just want to be done with placements.
I'm so close to Geo.
Play of the game.
Hey, hopefully you get it, man.
Thank you.
You're gonna get it, man. You're good.